In today's video, I'm going to teach you Easy Seamless Patterns Canva. We'll build a cute, repeatable pattern from scratch, then tile it perfectly so you can use it for wallpapers, social posts, or print. Start by opening a template in Canva. Any size works, but pick something that gives you room to play. Head to the Elements panel and in the search bar type Doodle. This brings up a mix of playful graphics. Click any element you like to add it to the canvas. Grab the corner handles to resize it, and move it to where you want. Think of your canvas like a tile. We're designing a single block that will repeat, so keep your elements inside the edges and leave some breathing room. Add another element from the same search, resize it, and place it in a different spot. Keep going and add as many elements as you like. Varying sizes and spacing helps the pattern feel organic. If you're using flowers, try placing a few near the bottom to create a visual anchor. Then mix in a few colorful elements. Stars, clouds, or shapes work great to add contrast and rhythm. Adjust their sizes so some are small accents and others feel like features. When your tile looks balanced, click Share and choose Download. Use the size or scale slider to increase the export size for crisp results. Turn on transparent backgrounds so your pattern isn't locked to a solid color. Then download the image. Back in your design, add a new page. Upload or insert the image you just downloaded onto this page. Now open Apps from the sidebar, search for Replicator, and open it. Select the image on your page, then click Replicate. Choose the grid option so Canva creates a tiled layout. Adjust the number of columns to see more repeats across your canvas, and add rows to extend the pattern vertically. Use the horizontal spacing control to tighten or loosen the gaps side to side, and do the same with the vertical spacing to refine the up and down balance. You're aiming for even rhythm without awkward clusters or large empty patches. When it looks seamless and satisfying, click Add to Design so the tiled pattern is placed on your page. Finally, resize the resulting image to fill your page or fit your intended output. That's it. Your seamless pattern is ready. You can reuse the same tile with different colors or elements to create entire sets that match, all using the exact workflow you just learned.